This is Chester Moore, Executive Editor of Texas Fish & Game, the 2013 SHOT Show here in Las Vegas. I'm here with Rick with Yeti Coolers.
How you doing, Chester?
Man, I tell you what, I love Yeti Coolers. Great product. And, you know, they are not your typical, $39 cooler.
That is correct.
They're a lot more pricey, but they do a lot better job of keeping things cool. Tell people why they need a Yeti cooler if they're a hunter or if they're a fisherman.
Well, the two big things that really set Yeti apart from everyone else is the durability and then performance. So we basically engineered these coolers. Everything that fails on an inferior cooler, we have gone over the line to bake it in as much as possible to the actual cooler itself. So you have less external components. And then also basically make it bomb-proof. So they are certified grizzly bear proof. They will take a pounding, whether that's in the back of the truck, a boat, whatever it is. And so you don't have to worry about your cooler failing you, especially let's say if you get to go bag an animal, bring it back to the truck. Now you know there's going to be ice there when you get there. So the durability is a big thing. The second thing is the ice retention and performance. So the way we've engineered these, and you'll see here, this is a cross section of a lid. We've got 3 inches of insulation in the lid. It's a proprietary foam, and then there are no seams. This lid comes out of the mold in a single piece. So as you can see there, then we fill it with the foam, and it fills up every little nook and cranny. So there's no air gaps in there, and that also helps to provide rigidity and structural integrity to the cooler as well. And then on the inside, we have a full frame sealing gasket. All these things, all these features are designed to optimize ice retention. So you will have ice way longer than a lesser cooler.
Say you're going offshore out of Galveston in the month of August, and you want that ice, and you're going to be out there a long day. It's 105 degrees. It feels like it's 150. You're still going to have ice to put those kingfish on.
Yeah, not only that, but you will actually get more time on the water because you won't be governed by ice. So you know the ice will still be there. You can stay out longer. You can get a better day of fishing or a better day in the field, so that you can have more fun. And you know that your catch is going to be just fine.
Without question.
Well,
we appreciate having the ingenuity. Where can people get more information?
People get all this information and a lot more, including a bunch of videos on our website, yeticoolers.com. And it's probably everything you need right there.
All right, man. We appreciate your time.
All right. Thanks, Chester.
Thanks.
Take care.